Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Timeless New York City. Today, we're diving into a sparkling tradition that lights up the hearts of millions every year, the iconic New York City New Year's Eve ball drop. From its humble beginnings to becoming a global symbol of hope and celebration, join us as we explore this glittering history. And stick around till the end, because we'll also share the best spots to view this spectacular event if you're planning to be a part of this magic in person. Let's get started! Our story begins in 1904. Times Square, then known as Longacre Square, witnessed its first New Year's Eve celebration, thrown by none other than the New York Times to inaugurate their new headquarters. The newspaper's owner, Adolph Ochs, decided to welcome 1905 with a bang, a fireworks display. But it wasn't until 1907 that the first New Year's Eve ball made its descent from the flagpole of One Times Square, marking the beginning of a century-old tradition. The first ball, a glittering sphere of iron and wood, adorned with 125-watt light bulbs, was just 5 feet in diameter. The ball has evolved from a 700-pound iron and wood orb to the dazzling 11-weight 75-pound geodesic brightly lit aluminum ball in the 1960s, and eventually to the dazzling LED illuminated sphere we see today, weighing nearly 12,000 pounds and adorned with over 2,500 Waterford crystals. But what does this ball symbolize? Initially, it was a symbol of modernity. Today, it's a universal symbol of hope, renewal, and the unifying power of shared moments. Throughout its history, the ball drop has witnessed pivotal moments, from the wartime dim-out in 1942 to the virtual celebration in 2020 due to the pandemic. Each year, it has been a beacon of resilience and unity. In 2023, the ball drop will be a spectacular show of lights and music, drawing in over 1 million spectators and billions watching worldwide, symbolizing a global unity and hope for the future. Now, if you're planning to witness this event firsthand, here are the top spots to consider. The streets of Times Square, the most classic experience. Arrive early to secure a good spot, as the area fills up quickly. Remember, there are no public restrooms, and once you leave your spot, it's hard to return. Rooftop bars. For a more comfortable and elevated view, consider a rooftop bar. Some popular ones include the Knickerbocker Hotel and St. Cloud Rooftop. New Year's Eve cruises. Fancy watching the ball drop from the water? Several cruises offer a unique view of the event, complete with dinner and dancing. Nearby hotels. Book a room with a view in a hotel like the Renaissance New York Times Square Hotel. It's a comfortable and warm way to enjoy the festivities. Restaurants with a view. Enjoy a meal while you wait for the ball drop. Restaurants like the View and Olive Garden in Times Square offer special New Year's Eve packages. A few tips for those attending. Dress warmly, as New York winters can be quite chilly. Arrive early, especially if you're heading to Times Square, as the best spots are taken hours in advance. Stay aware of your surroundings and keep your belongings secure. Remember, large bags and backpacks are not allowed. Most importantly, embrace the spirit of celebration and camaraderie. The New York City New Year's Eve ball drop is more than just a festive event. It's a global symbol of transition and hope, a collective moment of joy and aspiration. Whether you're there in person or watching from afar, it's a magical experience that unites us all in the spirit of a new beginning. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history and celebration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from us, Timeless New York City. Here's to a wonderful new year ahead!